Hi everyone, welcome back to the Cathartic channel. At the moment, I am preparing my website and my fluid art design collection for my print-on-demand shop, where the dynamic paintings come to life on a variety of items. My unique designs will be placed on fashionable clothing like t-shirts, hoodies, tank tops and tote bags to everyday essentials such as mugs and phone cases. I have ordered some sample products. Let's see them. You see, this is the painting also from the Cathartic logo. And this is a drawstring bag. So if you go to the gym or if you go to pursue any kinds of sport activities, you can just put everything inside this huge bag. It has a good quality regarding the material, and you see the vivid colors of my painting on it. You can make your style unique with these fluid art designs. Let's see what else we have here. If you remember, this design comes from the tornado painting that you can also watch on my YouTube channel. And this is an all-over print tote bag. You can see that also on the back side there is the design. This is a perfect gift for someone, for birthday, anniversary or any special occasion, or you can just wear it. And my fluid art conveys emotions in a distinctive and memorable way, so it can elevate your everyday lifestyle. And there was a third thing. And this is a scarf, and you see also my logo painting on it, and its material is really beautiful. And if you would like to be informed about my website and print-on-demand shop launch date, subscribe and you will be informed about the date at first hand. So all together we had a tote bag, we had a scarf, and we had a drawstring bag in this package. Bye for now!